What's up, gang? I'm out here again. Got something else working on right now. Just cleaned up somebody, you know. Good people. Plus got an update. Boy, well, you already know what it is. Yeah, sneaky already. I just cleaned it up. Got some more stuff gotta work on, getting out detail. Some crud on the side. Stuck to it. But first up, I'm already in this video, I do have the caps already for Mag. Mag got her caps. She cleaned up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I did that yesterday, not today. I don't know where that came from. Okay. Now this is blowing me, bro. I had already washed this whole car and this hood stay dirty. Stay getting back dirty. And Mag got a tie. Got the tie on. So she ready. Tie is on, but new tie is on. I'm finna wash this hood back off because it's dirty, you know. Other than that, I ain't washed the whole car because I washed the whole car yesterday and this hood keep getting dirty. And the roof, understandable about the roof. But the hood, the trunk don't get dirty. The hood get dirty. The bumper don't get dirty, just the hood. It's crazy. But yeah, man. '07 Acura TL Type S. Oh, it's clean. Wouldn't mind having this myself. It's not mine. And this is not no chick's car. So, for everybody watching, people mind. Just finna go on a road trip. And I feel like it just need to be cleaned. Washed up before then, you know what I'm saying? Yes, bro. Type R. My Type S. I don't know why I say Type R. Because I don't have Type R's. This year, they have. I don't think Acura rock Type R. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to goddamn clean y'all. Clean y'all. I can't do it. Can't stand looking at the hood like that. I'm gonna re-clean the hood to Mag. Just the hood. I'm not gonna do the roof. Crazy. I just did this yesterday and didn't go nowhere but to work last night. Set it there all day, let it dry. Ain't go nowhere. And it's dirty. I'm talking about stuff on here like it's been dried up on here for a minute. Wait. Still on the hood. This one on here when I got to wash it. Just ain't stay clean. This one long ass hood, boy. Cause it didn't take all this for the after. Didn't take all this. You say I'm doing nothing but the hood. Tip of the bumper. So it's blend, bro. This thing here already dried up. Way up, but I ain't getting number 4 on y'all. It was real kind of dirty. It's been sitting for a while. But, you know. Work going on in the background. Yes, it is. Scratches in the bumper, bug scratches, you know, that's about it. Catch all the soap, that's why it be drying up right there. Catch all the soap, run that right off there. protected on the tires. On that. Like I did the car. Put spray the protector on there. When it dry off. This one right here is a nice one. Yeah. I always got real big as hell to get this thing right here. This car is a highway car, boy. And it's fully loaded, bro. One owner, bro. No extra owners, bro. Not a car with a bunch of people done been in, bro. Alright, now, hold on. Excuse me with this gate situation. I'm getting a little irritated with the water hose. I'm about to go cut it off. It's stuck. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna hit these windows in a little bit. I'm gonna leave it right here. I was gonna back it up. I'm gonna leave it right here because some imperfections I still need to get out. I gotta clean off. Get these windows better. Well, yeah, boy, that's about it, man. I mean, I like this. You know what I'm saying? I like this. Probably knock the windows out in a second. I like the two-tone interior color. I like this car. Real nice. That's all you need to know, man. Got a lot of options. Acura TL Type S. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. I mean, nah, I ain't no start on it because that's not a car. I'm just gonna finish cleaning. Leave it where it's at. Till it's time to make this trip. It's about to be gone. So, you know, I just wanted to make sure it's straight. So, you know, say gang, we out.